Hello kids, welcome back to our English grammar class. In our last session, we have already studied about adjectives, descriptive adjectives and quantitative adjective. Today, we are going to learn and discuss about comparison of adjective and comparative adjective. Now, let's see what is comparison of adjective. Adjectives change in form to show comparison. These three forms of changing, they are called degrees of comparison. Now you can see in this picture big, bigger and the biggest. So these three are the different forms of adjectives which are called degrees of comparison. Small, smaller and smallest. These three forms of change is known as degrees of comparison. Now, in these degrees of comparison, there are first positive degree, second comparative degree and third is superlative degree. First one is simple form of adjectives, that is called positive degree. In second comparison, we compare two persons or objects and add er to the positive degree and it becomes comparative degree. Third, superlative degree. When we compare more than two persons or things and we add est to the positive degree, it becomes superlative degree. So these three are the forms of degrees of comparison: positive degree, comparative degree and superlative degree. Now we will see how to change and what to write. First, fat, comparative, fatter, superlative, fattest, hot, hotter, hottest, big, bigger, biggest, sad, sadder, saddest and so on. Now we will see this with some pictures. First one, see, you can see the scale. Scale is long. Then you can see rope. Then longest is the road, highway. So the scale is long. The rope is longer than scale. And the highway is the longest. So comparison till the last. Small, smaller, smallest. Big, bigger, biggest. Good, better, best. Hot, hotter, hottest. Cold, colder, coldest. Slow, slower, slowest. Bad, worst, worst. So this was all about degrees of comparison. Now, comparative adjective. What is this comparative adjective? Adjective have a form called the comparative. When we use this, when we are comparing two things or person. Here in this comparative adjective, we compare only two things, students. Keep this in mind. In comparative adjective, we compare only two things. Here also you can see in the picture. Strong, stronger. Strong, stronger. So this strong, stronger is the comparison between only two things or person. Now, what are the rules to form comparative adjective? The first rule is we add er to the adjective to make the comparative form. Dark, we add simple er. We add er to the adjective. First rule is there. Now we'll see what does the second rule say. If the adjective ends in E, you just add R to form the comparative form. Close, closure. Here we are adding only R. It is only when it is ended with only E. Close, closure. Safe, safer. Now what does the third rule says? If the adjective have a syllable and it ends in Y, change the Y to I and then add ER to make the comparative form. See the word easy. It has only one syllable. One syllable means it cannot be break. It cannot be break. For example, easy. Easy is one word. We cannot break it into 2 or 3. So it has only one syllable, one sound, easy. So here what we have to do? Remove Y and just add IER, noisy. Noisy is also one word. Here we cannot break it into 2 or 3 words. So here also you have to just remove it Y and add IER. Another rule is when the adjectives are of 2 or more syllable. At that time we have to use more before the adjective. What we have to use? More. Like famous. Listen, famous. Here we have 2 syllable. Famous. Famous. Here we have 2 syllable. That is famous. So here more will be added to make it comparative. Beautiful. Here is an example of beautiful. Here it has more than 2 syllable. Listen carefully, kids. Here we have more than 2 syllable. That is beauty and full. So in 2 syllable or more than 2 syllable, what we add? Very good. We add more to the adjective. Now last rule. What does the last rule says? A few adjectives do not form their comparative in any of the ways described so far. So some of the positive degrees, they are irregular forms. They cannot be converted into comparative by adding more or IER or ER or R, whatever it is. Okay, so here both the words are different. Good, the comparative is better. Here both the words are different. They are called irregular forms. Bad, worse. Little, less. Many, more. Far, further. Now we will solve this exercise. See what it is given. Write the comparative form of adjectives given below. What we have to write down? The comparative forms of adjectives. Fast. What we will write down over here? Fast. The comparative form will be faster. Very good. Heavy, heavier. See here. Remove Y and add IER. Heavier. Dangerous. Dangerous. Dangerous has more than 2 syllables. So here it will be like more dangerous. Small. The comparative form of adjective will be smaller. Large. Larger. Light. Lighter. Little. Less. Bright. Brighter. Very good. Now we will solve one more exercise. Filling the blanks with the correct comparative forms of adjective given. See, first one is already been solved for us. Is lead heavier than iron? Second, Helen is dash than Mary. Helen is dash than Mary. Helen is taller than Mary. Very good. Neha is dash than Devan. Neha is dash than Devan. old. What will be the comparative of old? Older. The deer is dash than the horse. What will be the comparative of fast? The deer is faster than horse. Megha's painting is dash than Andrew's. The comparative of good will be better. Very good. A rat is dash than a rabbit. A rat is dash than a rabbit. Small, smaller. Delhi is dash than Chandigarh. Delhi is dash than Chandigarh. Big, bigger. Underline the adjectives and state their kinds. Here what we have to do? Here we have two kinds of adjectives. They are quantitative adjective and qualitative adjective. We have to underline and we have to write down which type of adjective it is, whether it is descriptive or quantitative. Kavita collected money for the poor people in the street. So here which word is an adjective? Poor. And which type of adjective it is? It is descriptive adjective. Very good. Mom added some herbs in the soup. Mom added some herbs in the soup. What did mom added? How much herbs? Some. So some states, what it states? Quantitative. Very good. I asked many students but nobody knew the correct answer. I asked many students. Before solving anything, first read the sentence properly. I asked many students but nobody knew the correct answer. So here we have two adjectives. Asked, no. Asked will not be an adjective. Many. Many and correct. Many and correct are two adjectives. Now we have to state which type of adjective they are. Many means quantity. It shows the number of students. So many will be quantitative adjective. And correct. Correct shows descriptive adjective. The cupboard has big shelf and drawers. The cupboard has big shelf and drawer. Here word, what is an adjective? Big. Yes, a cupboard has big shelf and drawer. Big states descriptive adjective. She arranged red and pink roses for the party. She arranged red and pink roses for the party. Which word here shows adjective? Red and pink roses. Okay. So what does it states? Yes, description. That is descriptive adjective. Now kids, with this adjectives you have to complete revision test by your own. I am showing these pages from your book only. These pages are after second chapter. Okay, this revision test is of first and second chapter, which you have to complete it by your own. This revision test you have to write it in your grammar textbook only. However you know, whatever you know. Okay. So this was the end of the chapter of adjectives. Thank you. Take care.